Good.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Chris Tiller, Captain Mesa Fire Department, and it's Tiller, T-I-L-L-E-R. We had a small electrical fire today at a commercial structure. This is a sound and tint store. It was at, where are we at, Brown and Wrecker. They had some smell of smoke from the inside. When we got here, there wasn't a whole lot of visible smoke or flame, so they just kind of started their investigation. We started opening up walls and figuring out what it was, and essentially it was a burnt up conduit. So some electrical wiring that was wrapped, overheat, started smoking and getting, once it got some oxygen, it started charring some of the members surrounding the area. So the crews opened it up with the chainsaw, figured out essentially where it had gotten to, sprayed it down with a little bit of water, and then was able to contain it before it actually spread. So very minor damage to both interior and exterior. They were limiting water flow to, again, decrease the damage that we did, and then the business should be able to open back up today once the utility companies recognize and isolate the electrical issue.
And no heavy smoke damage on the inside, just whatever was on.
Yeah, no heavy smoke damage. There obviously was smoke, so we pressurized it with some fans to kind of clear it all out. So they're going to smell stuff for a few days, but overall, yeah, no merchandise in there that's going to be at risk of any smoke damage.
That's great.
Were there any injuries reported with this fire?
No injuries, firefighters, no injuries to occupants, nothing like that. All the RPs are on scene, so they should be able to open up by the end of the day, and everything's good. It's a good stop.
The interior to assist in opening up that area. I feel comfortable with where we're